kindergarten friends. I thought before we began today's math lesson, we would do a little fluency practice. Let's start with some happy counting. Now, if Mrs. Bates puts her fingers like this, I want us to count up. And if I put my fingers like this, I want us to count down. And if I do this, we're going to stop counting and put that number in our head. And then we'll continue some more happy counting. Are you ready? Here we go. We'll start with number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's put 5 in our head. Look at Mrs. Bates's fingers. 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Are you ready? Let's start with 1 again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 4, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 1. Very good. You can play that game at home. Let's try another one. You ready? Here we go. Now remember, if you're going to do some happy counting, you can start at any number you would like, and you can make it as hard as you would like as well. Here's another way to practice some fluency for subtraction. It's called take away fingers. So I'm going to show you 5 fingers. I'll take away 1. How many do I have left? 4. Let's say the number sentence. 5 minus 1 is 4. Very good. Let's try another one. 4. Here we go. 4 take away 2 equals 2. So what did we do? 4 minus 2 is 2. Very good. Let's try another one. Here we go. 3. 3 take away 2 is 1. Let's say the number sentence. 3 minus 2 is 1. Very good. The last one I have for you today is called 5 group hands. Well, show me a 5 group. Good. Now, let's practice showing me 7 the 5 group way. Are you ready? 7. Let's try another one. 10. Let's try another one. 9. Can you show me 9 with the 5 group? Excellent. Let's show me 6. 8. You're right, boys and girls. 6. 5. 9. 7. Good job. Hi again. Today's math lesson is for Module 4, Lesson 23 and 24. The learning goal for today is I can decompose 7 and 8 using objects and drawings. And when I say decompose, I mean break apart. You will need a piece of paper and a pencil. However, let's begin looking at my group of Legos. I have 7 Legos in the 5 group way. I have placed them in the 5 group way, which means I have 5 in the top row and 2 below. Now, I am going to hide some of these counters. How many Legos did I hide? Yes, you're right. I hid 2 Legos, which left how many? How many counters are left? You are right, 5. Now let's see if we can say the number sentence to match what I just did. What is the number sentence, boys and girls? 7, take away 2 equals 5. Very good. Now let's get our piece of paper and our pencil out and draw a picture together to show what I just did. So we're going to start with 7 circles, and I want you to draw the 7 circles in the 5 group way. So that means I'm going to draw 5 circles just like this in a row and then put the 2 underneath, or the rest underneath. I have 7 circles and I have drawn them in the 5 group way. Very good. Now, do you remember how many Legos I hid? You are right. I hid 2 Legos. So let's cross out 2 of our circles. Super. Now, I need you to draw your number bond because we are going to show what we just did in a number bond. So we're going to draw a circle for the whole. That's how many we had to begin with. And then here's another circle for a part and another circle for the other part. So as soon as we have our number bond drawn, let's fill it in. Well, we started with 7 circles. We took away 2. This is the part we took away, which left 5. This is the part that was left. Good. So this is what your number bond should look like. Excellent. Can you take your hand and cover the number of Legos I hid or the number of circles we crossed out? Yes. Are you hiding the number 2? Yes. We hid, or I hid 2 Legos, and you crossed out 2 circles. We're hiding the part that we took away or that I hid. Very good. Now, let's write our number sentence. 7, take away 2 equals 5. Excellent. Now let's turn our paper over and get ready to try another one. This time I want you to draw 8 circles the 5 group way. All right, so that means we're going to draw a row of 5 circles. That's going to make our 5 group. And the rest will go underneath. And let's make sure we have 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Now let's see how many I want you to take away. Let's take 5 away. So boys and girls, go ahead and cross out 5 circles. Excellent. When we crossed out 5 circles, how many circles are left? 3. Super. Now let's draw a number bond. Just like my number bond. This is for the whole. This is for a part, and the last circle is for the other part. Now we're going to fill in our number bond. We started with 8 circles, did we not? Yes, we did. Now we took this part away. We took 5 circles away, which left this part. And in that part, we have 3 circles. So, does your number bond look like my number bond? Good job. Now, I can put an X on the part we took away by putting an X on the number 5 in our number bond. Super! You ready to write the number sentence? Great. 8, take away 5 equals 3. Excellent. Are you ready for some more practice? Well, let's do it. You will need another piece of paper, a pencil, and a dice, or some number cards like the ones Mrs. Chamberlain suggested we make. Just add a few numbers so you have number cards for 1 through 7. Let's play. So I have my piece of paper, a dice, my pencil, and if I don't have a dice, I can use the number cards that I've made that have numbers 1 through 7 written on them. I'm going to set them aside. But I'm also going to tell you, I'm not sure if you have, but if you have a whiteboard like I do at home and a dry erase marker, you can use your whiteboard and draw a erase marker to practice as well. Okay, but if you don't, you can use a piece of paper. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to fold my paper like a book. I'm going to turn it around and I'm going to fold it again. And you know, when I open up my paper, I'm going to have 4 sections. And I'm going to draw a line down and 1 across. Now, yesterday, or for yesterday's lesson, I did it this way. I think I'm going to turn it and do it this way today. And I think in this corner, I'm going to write the number 7, and I'm going to practice 2 with the number 7, and then we will practice 2 with the number 8. So let's start with 7. So we have to draw 7 circles the 5 group way. 6, 7. So I have 7 circles the 5 group way. Very good. And then we're going to roll our dice just like yesterday. I'm going to take away 1. And now I'm going to write my number bond and fill it in to show what we did up here. So let's see right here. How many circles did we draw? We drew 7. Very good. We drew 7 circles today, the 5 group way. How many did we take away? We took away 1. We took away this part, right? We took away 1. And how many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 left. So there's my number bond. And in the lesson I said, ooh, with your hand, cover up the number or the part we took away. We took away 1, so I'm covering up 1. Or you could, like I also showed you, just cross out that 1 to show that's the part we took away. Now we're going to write our number sentence, and that should be really easy for us. 7 minus 1 equals 6. Excellent. Now, I would probably do another one here to practice, another one using 7 circles. But now I'm going to move over here, and I'm going to write the number 8. Okay? So now we're going to start by writing or drawing 8 circles the 5 group way. 5, 6, 7, 8. There you go, just like that. Good. Now I could roll my dice or I could pick a number card. So let me pick a number card. I think I'm going to pick this one. Let me see. The number 3. So that is how many I'm going to take away. Good. Now we're going to draw our number bond. I think I'm going to draw my number bond this way. It doesn't matter which way you draw it as long as you have a circle for the hole and then a line and a circle for a part, then a line and a circle for the other part. So as you can see, the 2 parts, they have a line to the hole. So you can see the difference in the one that I drew here from the one that I drew here. It means the exact same thing. Whole, part, whole, part, and the part. So what is the whole? How many circles did we draw? Well, we drew 8. And what part did we take away? This part. And this part, 3. We took away 3. So I'm going to write a 3. And this is the part that's left. And we have 5 left. So we have 8, take away 3 equals 5. And I can show that I've taken away 3 by crossing out the number 3. Now let's write our number sentence. Here we go. 8, take away or minus 3 equals 5. You got it, boys and girls. Now, if you want to share a picture of the work we did today with your teacher, I know she would absolutely love it. Thank you so much. Have an awesome day. Bye now.